not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely Beauty Forever. Today I just pretty much showed you guys how I did my quick and easy glueless install on this gorgeous burgundy highlight wig. It is in the texture loose wave. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I'm living for the curls I put in it. It's so cute and fun and fall. I'm living for the money piece. Like, this is really a statement wig, especially for the fall. It's really nice and fun too, and I love that it's not oversaturated with the bright red. It's more of the burgundy tone all throughout, and I love that. Not too much, and it's just very subtle with a pop if you must. And yeah, in today's video I'm just gonna take you along the install process and how I did the curls in the front, so you guys can see how to get your hair looking like this. Definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Beauty Forever, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. The feel is your way. But we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me eye to fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me, oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Alright babes, so I am finally back and this is the unit. This wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. It is their Burgundy highlight wig and it is in a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it is also 24 inches. It is very nice and full in the pattern loose wave, and it did come pre-curled, and what I did was I just curled the back and I left the front out for you guys to see, as you just saw. And honestly, I am living for it. I love curling hair, even though it takes long. It just is so satisfying to unravel, to see how they fall, to see how it turns out. It's everything, and I'm really living for this money piece action going on right here. So far it's fun, flirty, the hair is easy to comb through. I love how nice and full it is. Like, it's giving volume without the denseness of it all. So thank you so much to Beauty Forever for sending me this gorgeous wig, and if you'd like to get your hands on this unit, definitely don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.